Welcome to Gogoe Memorial Schools Complex. Let me walk you through a brief history of Gogoe Memorial Schools Complex. Gogoe Memorial Schools Complex is the first preparatory school in the Takwa Nswaye municipality. The school was named after the founder's late father, Openyin Samuel Gogoe Sr. Over the years, the school has gone through changes in its naming. First, the school was called Gogoe Memorial International School, later to Gogoe Memorial Preparatory School, and currently Gogoe Memorial School Complex. The founder and first headmaster, Reverend Samuel Benjamin Gogoe, was the administrator by then. The first four teachers of the school were Samuel Akwesi Intefobana, Stanley Kwesi Demenu, Faustina Kofi, and Miss Alberta Kofi. The school was officially opened on the 28th of April 1981 with a total student population of 151, KG1 78, KG2 33, Stage 1 40. With 4 teachers housed at the Fiase Cinema Hall or the Glorious Gospel Church Auditorium, and later the school was moved to the Hippodrome at Takwanaboso, which is currently the worship center for Jehovah's Witnesses, before the school moved to its current site at Kwabedu in the year 1989. By the next academic year, the school's population increased to 512 with 14 teachers. The very first PTA meeting was held on the 20th of November 1981 with Mr. S.E. Kwesi elected as the first chair and Mr. S.A.N. Bona as secretary. The second head of the school was Mrs. Mary Peace Gogoe, the wife of the founder, Apostle Samuel Benjamin Gogoe. Mrs. Mary Peace Gogoe, the wife of the founder, left Ghana Education Service in the year 1982 to join her husband. She was the head of Amo Preparatory School, Takwa. The first batch of 15 students, that is 11 boys and 4 girls, completed in the year 1985, both common entrance exams and middle school leaving certificates. The very first senior boys prefect for the school was George Yeboah, and the very first senior girls prefect was Ajwa Safo. The school, Gogoe Memorial Schools Complex, was introduced to the JSS system in the year 1990. The head for the primary school section of the school was Mrs. Mary Peace Gogoe. The head for the JSS section of the school was Reverend Samuel Benjamin Gogoe from the year 1990 to 1998. Later in the year 1999 to 2007, Mr. Anthony Akagansa became the head of the school. The year 2008, on the 8th of January, Mr. Samuel Akwesi became the head of the school till date. The founder, Apostle Samuel Benjamin Gogoe, died at age 73 in April 2003. He voluntarily retired in the year 1980 at the age 50. He also worked with the Ghana Education Service in the year 1972 to 1981. The former headmaster of Swedru School of Business, the Guinness Secondary School, Wasa Ikropon Secondary School, and Assistant Director in charge of Western Regional Secondary School. The founder, Reverend Apostle Samuel Benjamin Gogoe, also founded Gogoe Memorial Preparatory School at Aboso in the year 1982. The school has contributed immensely in bringing up a lot of well-known people in the society. Just to mention a few, The Member of Parliament for Takwan-Saye Municipality, Honorable George Mrekuduka, was a past student of Gogoe Memorial School Complex. Also, the previous parliamentary candidate for the National Democratic Congress, Seth Kwame Jogoto, also a broadcaster, was a past student of Gogoe Memorial Schools Complex. The current proprietor, Reverend Michael Gogoe, who happens to be the son of the founder, also happens to be a past student of Gogoe Memorial Schools Complex.